Hi, welcome to next experiment on Sybase Warm Standby solution, that is SAP Warm Standby Replication Setup. So for that, I have already created one database, and you can see sp underscore help db. So this is our RVGDMS database here. On the secondary side, you can see this is our secondary database. We have created it, and it is, you can say, we are waiting for the database to be loaded on the secondary side, which is a part of the warm standby. Okay, with the dump marker. Okay, so here we will, this is our secondary. Let's go to the primary. This is our primary, and we have database. We do have LDB. We do have database here. Okay, so this is our database RPGDMS. So this we have loaded with the sample database, the POPs2, and we just renamed it. That's it. So we are ready. Both the database have same size on the secondary and the primary. We have same size. That is the prerequisites. Let's see what all the other prerequisites we have. So we don't have anything means anything running for this database on the primary. Okay, and we have created the database with the same size. Okay, and if we have any database or say any activity going on the primary, we have to stop that uh, till we complete our warm standby configurations. Okay, let's double check the connectivity between production and the standby side for the ASC with respect to the firewalls and rules. Okay, let's do that on queue. Sorry, I was using. Okay, let's configure the interface file here so that we can connect. Okay, so this is primary. Fine, will not go here. We have a green screen from secondary, different background color, and we'll exit from here. We'll see here CD to OPT Sybase, CWD. This is OPT Sybase. Here we can see. You can see. Let's get into this interface file. Okay, we have secondary here. We have no primary here. So what we'll do, we will add the entry of, we'll add the entry for here, entry of the primary ASC. Okay, and for secondary, I'll try it out. We should have communication between, right? We should have communication between both of them. So here we go. Okay, let's try the communication between them. ISQL from primary will try to log into their FMS SIB ACMUX MUX sec. Okay, the password and fail. Okay, let's do the same. Try to find out whether we are able to connect to both of them or not. Yes, we are able to connect primary. from the secondary, but we are not able to connect to the secondary. So what is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem is there if we come here, okay, we come here, system CTL, system CTL, status of firewall D. Yes, this is the problem why we are not able to connect to it. We have to disable it, we have to stop it. So let's do it from the root user, system CTL stop firewall D and system CTL disable firewall D. Yes, we have done. Okay, done. Let's go back to here. We'll try again. This should be done. Oh, login failed. Okay, that means we have some login issues. Yes, so that was the issue. You have seen how we have disabled the firewall and we are ready to ping from any of the host. So suppose from here you want to check from the replication server. So for that again we have to add interface this file. Till now we have this one and then this one. Let's add all of them here. Primary will go, will exit from here. We cat interface file. Yes, that we will add this. Very good. Let's go on add on the application server interface file. Yes, we have done that. Then let's go secondary. Yes, secondary also we have done. Okay, now we'll do ISQL. ISQL to ACMUX Let's try it out. So we have connected. Okay, so we are here and we similar way we can connect. We try, that's the prerequisite. We'll check from every part corner. Is there anything else is there? A port is open or not, or firewall is disabled. All these things we will confirm and then we'll go back to Unix team or network team to open the ports or whatever the security team we have. Go. Okay, we are here. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, that is the prerequisite. Second prerequisite, there is a connection. We have disabled the firewall and the rules we can see. Now we are able to do it. A connection between all the hosts. Okay. Okay. So next one is your SA password should be synchronized. All the server SA password should be same, which we have already seen. We are logging in with the same password to all the servers. Let's say that is the Fourth one, the prerequisites. Then next is we have to create the maintenance user login at both ACs, on the primary, on the secondary. Create a maintenance user login at both ACs. Okay, let's go to, this is replication server. Let's go to primary first. We'll create, we will use that primary and logged into this server. Let's check it out whether we are into same server. Server name, yes, we are in the primary server. Now let's create sp underscore add login rep underscore main rep underscore main underscore es1, that is our password. Then master, okay fine. Then we'll grant the role sp underscore role grant replication role, where the first role will give to this main user, specify the main user name, rep underscore main. That's our, so another role, will assign grant then SA role. Again, we have to give to SA role. There is no chance. SA role to rep underscore main. Okay, because most of the things we will do. So these are the two roles we have to grant. Then let's modify so that they should not expire, right? So all the time alter login rep underscore main modify expiration to 0. Alter login rep main modify expiration to 0. Okay, so we have alter login rep modify expiration to 0 we have set. Same we'll do, we'll copy paste for faster access. Okay, sudo su to Sybase. Okay, now first we have to set the environment source. So done. Then let's see, we'll see. Its history is there. Then just change the name here. Give your password. Yes. Let's check it out. Server name. Yes. We are in. Yes. Murex secondary. So same we will do. Let's go back here. Copy paste it. We'll create this on the master by default. Created. We will assign some roles to it. First is application role and SA role. Okay. Well, grant role name SA underscore role to rep underscore main. This way also we can grant. Okay. Then alter login rep underscore main modify expiration to 0. sp underscore display login. Let's check it out. Wrap main. Yes, it is there. We have application role and SA role for the wrap main. The default database is master. Okay, what's next is we need to configure, we need to enable wrap agent threads. That is the configuration parameter on both the servers. So let's start with this sp underscore or sp underscore configure enable wrap agent threads to 1. It's a dynamic, so we don't have to restart it. We'll go and here same sp underscore configure enable wrap agent thread to 1 on the both the primary and the secondary. Yeah. Yeah. So that is done. Now we'll go to the second part, that is the implementation part. Okay. Now, okay, let's use our BGDMS database. We are here. How to check? sp underscore uh, select db underscore name. Okay, we are here. Now we have to, if represent is there, so configure, so config underscore rep underscore agent database name. Yeah, disable it. Disable it. Not configured. So which we have not configured. Maybe sometimes we have configured it and then again we try to create the warm standby configuration. So if it is there, we'll disable it. Okay. Now we'll set this database to sp underscore set rep to standby set sp underscore rep to standby rbgdms underscore all. sp underscore who will check anything is there, anything is there, or select star from master.dot logs hold. Okay, till now we don't have anything. Okay, we have just marked this is important for on standby. We have to mark the database as standby and all for whatever insert, update, delete, truncate, everything. DDL as well. So all okay on that database. Okay, then let's create a logical connection. Let's create a logical connection. Create logical connection. Okay, so what we have done in the primary, we have marked all these things. We'll see if we are going wrong or right. We'll see here. Okay. Okay. Create logical connection. We, basically we will go back to the replication server where we will create the logical connection. Create logical. So that is the important here for warm standby. There should be a logical connection. Based on that, we will configure each and everything. So create logical connection to. So we have try. So let's do try, or we can say MUX. That's the application name dot database name rbgdms underscore lg logical. Oh, sorry. We should be in the rep server, but while testing we are getting to sorry. So this is what. So you have to keep a track where you are typing the commands, but that's fine. It's a replication server, and we are not able to run any query. So we should create this on the replication server. Okay, so admin logical status. So nothing is coming. Let's create it. So it is created. How to check? Yes. So once you create a logical connection, you can see admin logical status. So this is how you can see. You can also check whether this server is replication server. Sorry. Okay, that is the one first thing. Now we have to create active and standby connections. Okay. So for active and standby connection, either we can do it using our mm, create using resource files, okay, or we can create manually the connections. Okay, that will cover in the next part.